It's a great day on the promenade. It's awfully hard to see. There's a scouring wind and the trees are stripped bare of any certainty, and my own heart's pounding would give me away if you were with me. To hear it today, and the skeletal trees tower above me. Yeah. It's 40 degrees and raining, and each drop is like a dart. It's 40 degrees and raining in my heart. I walk these tangled streets of ashen gray, past the flowers and the stone steps of the house you said we'd live in someday. And I remember your voice, the stories just between us. I remember things like this as I walk these dark streets, whispering dead secrets into the mist, and the skeletal trees tower above me. Yeah. It's 40 degrees and raining, each drop is like a dart. It's 40 degrees and raining in my heart. In my heart. The skeletal trees tower above me. Yeah. It's 40 degrees and raining, each drop is like a dart. It's 40 degrees and raining, 40 degrees and raining, 40 degrees and raining in my